Hello, welcome to this preview of how to get top grades at CSEC English Composition. Now, this is a video that shows you the contents of the interactive workbook. Now, it's a workbook. It's a practical workbook that guides you on how you can develop your skill at writing effective compositions for your CSEC exam. It's clickable and it's fillable. You'll see exactly how it's done. So you can move from clutter to clarity in 4 easy steps. Yes, generate ideas, plan, organize your ideas, and write. In order to achieve your goals, you need to be persistent, do the exercises, review your performance, and you'll get top grades. The whole idea is to develop your ability to express yourself persuasively and effectively. What one person can do, anyone can learn to do. Your brain is the most sophisticated computer on the planet. Your brain is a biocomputer. Use it. You're using technology to accelerate your learning. Our software application is called Click and Learn. It's designed the way you learn. Your brain learns naturally. You learn faster and easier. Now, the objectives of this interactive PDF, it's about paragraphs, how to develop paragraphs, writing effective paragraphs, and so on. Now, what makes this different from the usual assignments you get in school? You get a paper, pen and paper, or pencil, or pen, and you write your composition. But with this interactive workbook, you do it on your screen. This is how it works. You type your compositions right in the space provided. So you can keep a record and you have a lot of space to type your response. So you can use it every day and have a record on your computer of what you have done. It's dynamic, interactive, multimedia e-learning. You can learn anything, anytime, anywhere. Now, what do students and teachers and parents say about this interactive PDF? Well, you can read for yourself. You can pause the video and read some of the comments. Now, when you get your version of this interactive PDF, you can enter your name, let's say your name is John Jones, enter your name, your telephone number, your email address, name of the school, let's say it's Modern High or whatever, grade 10 or 11 or whatever, and your address and so on. So you keep a record of what you do. It's based upon English composition, writing strategies, and you'll get links to my YouTube videos so you can learn more about and see an animation of this word cloud. Now you can check which areas of CSEC English are you struggling with. Tick the corresponding checkbox. Are you struggling with writing summaries? Or are you struggling with responding to picture prompts? What areas are you struggling with? You can identify those areas. You can click this link, this image, and it will go to my website. You'll be able to see what's happening. Students, a Google search shows that students from different areas in Guyana have been checking out help for the different topics. You learn through engaging graphic organizers such as the one you see on your screen that will help you to retain information and understand the relationships of the different parts. You can type below composition based on the ideas above. For example, main idea, topic sentence. Main idea. And so on. You use space, you have a lot of space to practice, and you can easily erase and replace. Do you plan your writing assignments, which is your preferred mode of planning? Do you just jot down keywords or phrases? What do you do? Do you just start writing? Or do you generate an outline? Which is your preferred way of doing that? To help you excel at expressing yourself, you see engaging graphic organizers that help you retain the concept. For example, the main idea goes to the top and details, or the details go to the top, and the main idea is the last sentence in the paragraph, and so on. How are ideas organized in the paragraph? Your turn, and you can use the space. Main idea goes and so on. So you can use this interactive workbook on your laptop, your desktop. You can practice generating ideas. You learn about pre-writing strategies, outlining, listing, clustering, organizers, detailing. You can choose any one of these methods and start typing your essay. So the writing, typing. So pre-writing strategies are essential if you want to succeed. You have lots of space to practice. Vocabulary, develop your vocabulary. What is a synonym, what is an antonym, and so on. And you have the opportunity to your turn below. Type below examples of each of the above types of expression. For example, what's an idiom? Type an example of an idiom. Of a proverb. And you type whatever. And so on. So it's interactive, it's fillable, and clickable. Recall and type the definitions of the following terms. Synonym, you type the definition here. And so on. So you get lots of practice. And by using this application, this interactive ebook, you keep a record of it. And then I'll show you how you can erase all of your entries and start fresh all over again. All these different literary terms, literary uses you can practice, you can define them, use them below in the space provided. Now you can do this interaction any number of times. You must click the reset button to clear all your responses. So when you finish on your first attempt, this is the end of part 1. You will see a reset button and you click on it and it erases all your responses. So you can use this application over and over again, anytime, for different topics. Narrative, so let me just go through quickly. the engaging images that you see, the story, the theme, the point of view, the setting, first person, second person. So these graphic organizers help you to understand and retain quite a lot of the stuff that you need to know to do well at your exam. Different types of composition, fact and opinion, report, simple and complex, problem, solution, cause and effect, and so on. So with over 73 pages, you have lots of opportunity to practice and develop your skill at expressing yourself. This is letter writing. You have examples. You enter, practice writing your letters right here, enter your stuff there, start writing. Whatever you want to write to applying for a job, for example. You type your response on the paragraph there. You have space to type, you type there, and so on. Writing an argumentative essay or composition, understanding argument, reasoning and logic, pros and cons.